The world's first routine malaria vaccination program is being rolled out with the help from scientists in the United Kingdom. The RTS S vaccine, also known as Mosquirix, was developed by the British drug maker GSK in collaboration with Path Malaria Vaccine Initiative, an organization tasked with accelerating the development of malaria vaccines. It was recommended by the WHO in 2021 for widespread use for children in Africa. So we have Dr. P.S. Venkatesh Rao, a health expert consultant surgeon, Columbia Asia Hospital from Bengaluru, joining us. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, sir. In 2022, India accounted for 66% of malaria cases in the WHO Southeast Asia region. When we talk about 2023, what is the status as far as India is concerned, and when it comes to India's malaria burden, and does India have a vaccine?
Good morning. Thank you for having me on your show. See, the WHO approved this new malarial vaccine, which has been developed by SKB, the SmithKline company, and it was approved in October. And after that, the Gavi, the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization, has gone ahead with it. And though the first rollout is in Cameroon, and it is going to be rolled out soon in various sub-African countries, because 95% of the load, global load of malaria is in the sub-Saharan nations. Now, you asked me specifically about the vaccine and India. There is another vaccine being developed by Oxford University, which is under trial, and which will be mass produced by Serum Institute of India. As of now, the production of the present vaccine, the new vaccine from SKB, is inadequate for global requirements. So there is going to be a shortage. So this other vaccine, which Oxford University has developed, which is and which Serum Institute plans to mass produce at around 0.6 million per year, that will meet the global needs. And,
right.
But that
is this vaccine targeting the children, and how many doses are involved?
The vaccine is initially going to target the children, because 95% of the deaths are among children. I mean, a large amount of the deaths are occurring in children. And even now, malaria is causing 5% of deaths worldwide. It is basically in Africa, but that is the total load. So we are still facing problems with malaria, and this vaccine is not 100% block against malaria. We will have to continue using malarial those nets, mosquito nets, and anti-mosquito insecticides and sprays and repellents. Now, the problem with this vaccine vis-a-vis all other vaccines is that all the vaccines we have had till now are all antiviral vaccines. And the problem was that this is a parasite-caused infection, and the parasite keeps changing through its life cycle. It keeps changing its form, and hence the antigens or the proteins on its surface for which vaccines are produced. And specifically, as far as malaria is concerned, that the falciparum, the Plasmodium falciparum is concerned. The main problem in malaria, this changes. It gives you just 30 minutes between it's changing from blood to the liver, and during that time you have to act. So the idea that came up 30 years ago was, why not take a small part of that protein on the surface of that malarial parasite when it is in the form going from blood to liver, and then insert it on the hepatitis.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Dr. Rao, for getting us all those details about this vaccine, which will require 4 doses. And of course, we are hearing from researchers in the United States that the jab is known to be effective in at least 36% of the cases, which means that 1 out of 3 lives can be saved with this vaccine.